I'd like to invite Chairman Sir to say a few words for us.
Our Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, laborious and hardworking staff members and teachers, and dear students. A very warm good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. I welcome you all after 6 days holiday. Welcome back, all of you. I hope your festival was fantastic. It was fine with the grace of God. Today I am here. Today I am here to tell about the significance of today's date, that is 24th of October. There were 3 prominent events occurred on 24th of October. We began from 24 October 1945. 24 October 1945, it was establishment day of United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. It was founded on 24 October 1945. Now, a question from my side. Will you tell me that where is the headquarters of United Nations General Assembly? Can anyone tell me? There will be clapping for you if you give the right answer. If you give the wrong answer, no problem. No problem. At least you will learn something. Will anyone tell me? Only students are allowed today, not staff members, because many SST teachers are here. So can you tell me where is the headquarters of United Nations General Assembly? The answer is hidden in the name itself. It means you didn't study anything in 6 days. No problem, no problem. I am waiting for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, I will tell the answer. After 5 seconds, I will tell the answer. Countdown starts. Okay, no problem, no problem. Koi baat nahi. The headquarters of United Nations General Assembly is in New York. That is located in USA. Well, after 10 years, one more prominent event happened. The vaccine of polio was introduced. The vaccination of polio was introduced, and it was introduced by John Salk. Who introduced polio vaccine? John Salk on 24 October 1955. After that, the third and the prominent event took place, that is 24 October 1984. 24 October 1984. Will anyone tell me if you know any fact? Okay, let me tell you. 24 October 1984, our first metro train was introduced. First metro was introduced in Kolkata, in West Bengal. Our first metro was introduced in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now, a question for you. That how many cities right now, in 41 years, 1984, 16 years that till 2025, means in 41 years, in how many cities our metro is running in, covering how many kilometers? What is the network of our metro? Will anyone tell me? No problem, I will tell you. In 23 cities, our metro is running, and nearly 1,000 kilometers it is covering. Its coverage is nearly 1,000 kilometers, and that's fabulous for India. A huge clapping for India's growth. Clapping for India's growth. In 41 years, 23 cities metro is running, and the first metro was introduced in Kolkata in year 1984. Apart from this, now it's time to discuss about your examination. Recently, you finished your half-yearly examination, and I'm here to tell you something about your forthcoming examinations. Whatever mistake you committed so far, don't commit again. So what are you saying? We are unable to understand. Means, whatever mistake we commit now, not only for examination purpose, for life purpose as well. Means, we commit a mistake. Never repeat it. Do new mistakes. Each day learn something. Each day develop an inch for growth. Each day do new things. At least you have to study 2 to 3 hours on regular basis. Regular basis, if you study 2 to 3 hours, it will be cakewalk for you during examination, and there will be no examination pressure for you. So what you will do? You will do your self-study. Now, for especially 6th to 12th class students, I am saying, because till 5th class the parents are taking care of you. Class 6th to 12th students, you start preparing yourself. You learn the things by writing. First you learn and then write it without seeing, and then check it out that whether its answer was appropriate or not. That's all for today. Thank you and have a fantastic Friday.